For the week starting the 5th of June 2017, let's have a look at this week's trades of the week. There's a few to go through. Want to have a bit of a mix today. A few commodities, a couple of FX pairs as well. Just concentrating on the daily charts at this point. Here's one here. So NYMEX crude, or USOil as it's called on the FXCM platform, short here from the 26th of May. You'll notice the sniper disc with the red outline pinpointing the exact point of the trade there on the close of that bar from the 26th. So from 49.82, looking for the market to move down 100 points, or effectively $1 full from there. And it was a nice move and moved down there relatively quickly. So we say short from the 26th of May, hitting that target there on the 31st of May. And I guess, a sort of a reaction to that OPEC meeting, which was in Vienna on Thursday here. And as we recovered on the Friday, that then gave us a better entry in price terms as the market then continued to slide over the next few days. But the most importantly, straightforward identification of the trade there as those indicators roll over from green to red, pinpointing a very clear trading opportunity. And that was very much the same thing with Brent crude as well. As you might expect, they're going to follow a fairly similar path. The only real difference on this one was that, yes, we entered on the same day, but we actually exited that trade the day earlier. So we're only in this trade for a couple of days. Short from 52.21, looking down for 51.21 there as the market moved sort of half a dozen cents through our objective there. So it's a decent move on those two commodities to the downside. On the upside, we had a really nice profit on silver. It may not be one of the most heavily traded markets in the world, and it is actually a relatively slow mover, but there was a good profit here. We're stuck in that trade from the 12th of May, and it was grinding its way up until eventually hitting its target mid last week for 100 cents there. So a full $1 on that silver move. In percentage terms, that is a significant move, and it was a great reward against the risk on that trade on silver as well. So 100 cents on that one, taking a couple of weeks here, but as I say, a really nice healthy profit for us on that buy sniper trade that was against that longer term trend of the market. Moving on to a couple of the FX pairs now, starting off with Australian dollar against the Canadian dollar. Might be getting a trade tonight on this one, so we're going to keep an eye on here, but that was the short we're talking about. Short triggered on the 19th of May, and again slowly meandering its way down before moving on through to its target mid last week. So short from 10072s, again looking for 100 points there. Market moving about 25-30 points or so beyond our target there. So way through our target level, hitting our objective there for a further 100 points of profit. So again, Australian dollar against the Canadian dollar, once again very clearly identifying the point of the trade on the end of day charts there. And then finally, lots of trades we could talk about, but I'm just going to do one more on New Zealand dollar against the Swiss franc there, as the market squeezed higher mid last week on Wednesday, pushed it through past its target, again picking up a 100-point profit there on this buy swing sniper trade there. So from 68.36, looking for 69.36, and the market moving on nicely past there for our objective. So a decent few trades, but above all, clear opportunities to identify and place as well. So if you're interested in looking for more trading opportunities like this, and you'd like to know a bit more about how we do it, where we put stops, where we put our targets, what are the rules we might be looking for, why don't you tune into one of our free live trading webinars. You should see somewhere on this page a link to register for one of our free events. Click on that link, complete your details, and get yourself booked in. Sessions last about an hour, and we go through all the information you need to know about the strategies we're talking about here. So hopefully we'll see you online in one of those live events, but otherwise have a good week's trading and catch you soon.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.